I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. We're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa! Where do you think you're going?
Go put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down. You did not break me. I'm still fighting for peace. I got skin and then I left it cold. It's your lady, my need to shine. I let you love the pain until you feel too hard. You did. Choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Dally's tougher than I am. Why can I take it when Dally can't? And then I knew Johnny was the only thing Dally loved. And now Johnny was gone.
Kendrick? Kendrick? Did you hear that, Kendrick?
Yes. My apologies. I thought my time was up.
This is my final fate, my final bellyache with no alarms and no surprises, no alarms and no surprises, no alarms and no surprises.
just being his usual self. He shuts himself off from the world and avoids other people. That's what he does all the time. Leave him alone. It's like he doesn't want to live, but he can't bring himself to die either.
I have no reason left to live. Nobody cares about me anymore. My father, my mother,